Hello friends, today I will be preparing incredibly delicious Turkish flatbreads with meat that you will absolutely love. Soft dough and lots of layers with meat filling. Pour 1 cup of water into a bowl, add half a teaspoon of salt and the same amount of sugar. Stir everything until dissolved. Now add 16 ounces of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Guys, I'm very curious to know which cities my viewers are from. Please take a couple of seconds and write about it in the comments under the video. Stir with a spoon to allow the liquid to be absorbed by the flour. Then start kneading the dough with your hands. After kneading the dough for 5 minutes, cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Friends, I kindly ask you to give a thumbs up to this video. It would mean a lot to feel your support. Finely chop 2 large onions and put them in a bowl. Peel and grate 2 medium-sized potatoes. For the filling, use 17 ounces of minced meat. I bought a mix of beef and chicken mince. It's an excellent combination of lean meats. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and spices. For spices, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well with your hands. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'm sure you'll find plenty of delicious flatbread recipes here. Divide the dough into 4 parts and shape them into balls. If you have any questions about this recipe, feel free to write to me and I'll respond to them very quickly. Keep the dough covered to prevent it from drying out. Now, roll out the dough as thinly as possible, as much as you can manage. Melt 3½ ounces of butter. This should be enough to brush all 4 layers of the dough. Divide the filling into 4 parts and evenly spread 1 part over the rolled out dough. Make incisions on the dough and fold it into a flatbread, as I demonstrate in the video. Place 2 or all 4 flatbreads on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, depending on the size of your oven. Beat 1 egg, add a bit of milk, mix, and brush the tops of the flatbreads with this mixture. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. These flatbreads are truly delicious, and meat lovers will enjoy them immensely. Guys, share your thoughts on this recipe in the comments. And thank you for watching these videos. See you in the next recipe.